Okay, guys. It's day 13. I guess actually our app is ready, and I just need to focus mostly on distribution. Build, install, disk, work disk, component. Guess you want to keep going. So let's show my desktop. Yes, I want to see my face. Yes, so everything is ready. Basically, we can already install this application. It's ready for daily usage, and I just need to get. I just need to. Uh, but now I have problem with barcode scans. So, for example, in our application, they have different types of. You can select different types of portions, and we don't have it. So in I provided you example of barcode scan, and in our application it's possible to do it. I mean, it's possible to choose portion size, for example, one cookie, one package, and so on and so forth. But in our application, we only have the ability to select amounts without the ability to select portion sizes, and I guess it's problematic. It's problematic, and okay, I'm trying to use another application. What's your height? What's your weight? I want to see. Next. Next. Gain weight. Next. Oh, interesting. Food data central. Open food facts. Food data central. Foundational foods. Food data central. Branded foods. Now let's talk about this database. Okay, I'm talking. I forgot about it. It's problematic. So, is it possible to have such portion sizes in our application as well? Because I think it's very convenient to be able to select. If you ate only 2 cookies, you can select I ate 2 cookies. You don't need to measure weight of each cookie, and it's very convenient, and it's very important to be able to do it. And I guess if we will have the ability to do it in our application, it will be very good. And maybe you can find the way to do it, because if they do it, they basically use the same database, because the name of the food, scanned food, is the same. So our name is identical to the name of application, other application, showing name showed name of this scanned food in our application. Okay, what was the next question? Stats. I would like to. Okay, the next thing I want to talk is about a different data. I forgot to start focus. Okay, let's make kickoff. Let's write kickoff. Also, the next thing I want to talk with you is the database. Here is an example of our application. They have different database, so you can select different. Okay, I understand. Okay, I forgot. Also, I want you to remove this long explanation in the bottom of the fasting screen because it, it is useless. We don't need such a long explanation for the things that why we do it, why we do this thing, why we do other thing. Because if we do things that means that they are important. They are important, and that's it. And the same thing with the about page. Like you don't need such a long information, long, long. Okay, about privacy settings, legal notion. Mhm. Remove this where our numbers come from page. It's useless as well. We don't need it at all. Okay, I guess we also need to start thinking about marketing strategy. I do have YouTube channel, uh, and I think thinking about how what is the best marketing strategy for our application. I want to maybe before we kind of start to. Oh, I forgot again. I forgot to change scene to desktop scene in OBS. That's weird. Mhm. Well. Okay. Uh, how much time do we have? Include. Okay, 4.5 hours. Uh, mm, Maybe I need to create another Apple developer for games and promote games. I think I'm thinking about strategy. Okay. Um, okay, I'm thinking about ecosystem. Yeah, if I'm working on, I'm just talking about marketing strategy with myself. Yeah, if we are working on, if we're working on ecosystem of applications, we do need to have a big marketing strategy, which will kind of combine all of those different applications together. But I think is talking head videos still relevant in 2026, or we need to have other formats? But actually we can try different formats at the same channel, on the same channels, but we need to automate it, like maybe using MCP tools. We can generate content every day. So I need to do a research about content generation, best strategies, and about marketing strategies to see how our how our applications did it, how our viral applications succeeded in their marketing strategy. But do I need to use Fable to do it? I don't know. I think but we have not that much of tokens. Not that much of tokens. Let's think about best strategy. Session only started. We don't have resets. Okay. Let's talk about it. I'm thinking about strategy. What is the best thing to do? It's interesting. What is the best thing to do? I don't actually know. Yeah, but we just can test different strategies and try to find the most effective one. Okay, and yeah, maybe we need to start to build our application in our ecosystem. First is Epi Nutri, second is Epi Mind, and third one is Epi Fit, or Epi Muscle, Epi Fit. Epi Fit sounds like some kind of part of body, like you know, EpiFit, EpiFit AI, EpiFitness, or maybe EpiFitness, like Epic Fitness, but without C. EpiFitness, then stretching, then all of those things. And those applications, they can be cross-linked between each other. So like they will be connected with a hub. Well, what if we build the whole ecosystem for the whole life? Like Epioneum bundle is only dedicated to health, but then we have this nice dashboard homepage dashboard with a calendar with our health data, and everything is synchronized with one another. So we have account in this dashboard, something like Obsidian. It's something like Obsidian, but it's what's wrong with Kefir? It's so laggy. Do we? Okay, let's open statistics. What's going on with GPU? Why? Maybe we are running some local runners and they cause those lags. So I think that it's a good idea to build entire ecosystem for the users. So it will have dashboard with health data, dashboard with so I have my kind of personalized dashboard in Obsidian, which takes my tasks. So you create a task, and this task gives you experience points. So if it's a task related to health, you will get particular amount of experience points. If a task related to other things, you'll get new amount of experience points. And basically over time, this gamification will help you a lot because you will see your progress in life. I guess I will show you my Obsidian, but now it's kind of messy. And maybe building this entire ecosystem of tools for user, it's not a fucking corporation shit. You just own everything. You can download all of the data from these tools, but the thing that we provide is a nice synchronization between your areas of life. Like we provide users not only access to the health bundle, but provide access to the life bundle. So it will be like a Notion, like Obsidian Notion, and it will have all of the data from different aspects of your life, and maybe you will be able to connect different AI agents via MCP, and they will be able to okay, what's going on with Pepio now? They will be able to work with your data. They will be able to find connections. And basically, the thing that we provide is that we provide nice user experience, user interface. Because now applications where okay, why it crashes all the time? What's going on? Show details. Okay. Or maybe they could read. Claude can read those reports by itself. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, do we have anything going on here? No, nothing. Nothing here, nothing here. Yeah, because everyone is building AI tools, tools for AI agents, tools for agents of AI agents, but why don't we build tools for humans? Why don't we make tools for humans better, more intelligent? Okay. Let's think about it. I guess it's a nice idea, but and if I won't make things overcomplicated, it will be okay. I'm thinking. Yeah, I guess it's a great thing to do. So we built entire ecosystem of applications, and we will focus more mainly on health, because health is the main thing, but productivity and in general the ability to manage your life is also useful. So it will be suit, so a complete bundle for health and for other areas of life. Yeah. I guess I found some interesting thing to do, actually. Well. Let's think about it. Let's think about it. Let's think about it. Let's think about it. So it will have subscription to tools. Like you will have the different tiers, like pro tier, max tier, health tier. In pro tier, for example, you will be able to add to get access to everything from uh, health application to those productivity management things. Yeah, I think it's a very good idea, and I will implement it in reality. I implement it in reality. Implement it in reality. Okay, but now let's think about marketing strategy and research. And maybe let's start building another application for gym. Because yeah, it feels like I'm building stuff that existed like billion of years, but I guess it's there is still a lot of opportunities to build something more intelligent, more complicated. Not in terms of billion buttons, billion features. Actually, it should feel simpler, but more complicated in terms of kind of intelligence. Like if we build some intelligent things, they will. It's a evolution step from previous approaches. Like in gym, all first tools in gym were just like pen and paper. You just wrote everything that you did on using pen and pencil and paper. Then there was first applications where you can just log your activity. It was just diary, and now more intelligent tools are available, and those more intelligent tools can give a lot of insight to you. They can, well, I guess it's safe to say they can replace you trainers, they can replace you nutritiologists. Yeah, but the strange things actually is, if AI will be able to do everything better than humans, then what humans would do if this would happen, what humans would do? I don't know. I don't know, and nobody knows. Permanent underclass theory feels scary, but we are very adaptive species. We will find something to do with our time, with our meanings, with our desire to do something meaningful. But I guess not everyone wants to do something meaningful. They just want to provide family with resources, with food, with money, with like real estate, so your kids can have basically place to stay, place where they can sleep, where they can grow, where they can eat. And that's the main thing for humans. We find meaning in a lot of things, and one of the most powerful is family. And family gives a lot of meaning, but it's not a career, money, etc. And if there will be some kind of universal basic income that will allow people to provide their family members with food, with resources, with clothes, and if everyone will have place where they can live comfortably, it will be nice outcome of AI revolution. And I feel that we are on the verge of this AI explosion, AI intelligence explosion. Yeah, artificial intelligence. Yeah, that sounds weird. Yeah, that's amazing things happening. Okay, let's talk about marketing strategy with Opus, with Fable actually. I hope Fable 5.1 will be released this week or this next week, but this week would be better. So they will reset limits, and I will be able to use to do more things. Yeah, I guess this strategy of bundle application is good. And maybe we will sell subscription for bundle. it will be another option for users to buy subscription for the whole health ecosystem, buy subscription only for the. But for the health ecosystem, I guess it's also important to be able to export data from labs. So you did, for example, blood test, and a lot of labs, they don't provide you raw data. Maybe it should have the ability to add lab data from screenshots. So user makes a screenshot, and we just using computer vision, we just transform those screenshots into text, and this text will help to store data from different labs, because sometimes we use different labs for the blood tests, for the other kind of things, for example, like ultrasonic tests, and it's a good idea to be able to store everything in one place and to be able to download your data. So I want to build niche application, not corporational stuff where your main goal is to get as much as possible from users to sell their data. No, my goal is to actually help organize life of people, to help make their life better, make their health better, and in general improve their level of life. Okay, let's talk about marketing strategy with Fable. Happy Nutri, actually. So I'm my application is almost ready for the App Store release, so I want to think about marketing strategy beforehand. I saw that applications like Cal AI and other application in the similar field, similar niche, they used approach of they just hired small bloggers. They paid them. They paid for too many bloggers for the advertisement, and after they made the advertisement, they just some of them were unsuccessful, and for example, one small influencer can make, for example, 1 million views, and it will be transformed into a pretty big downloads rate. So and I want to think about the best strategy for our application right now. What should we do? How can we do it? Where can we get access to these niche influencers, small influencers? How to contact with them? Is there any platform that we can use, or maybe there is other better approach to promote applications? Because I think I would like to play long-term game. I would like to create media empire of content empire. So we will generate a lot of videos. I have one big YouTube channel. Yes, it's not dedicated to medicine, but I guess we can make it, we can transform it into a medical channel. Well, not medical, health channel, and it will generate free traffic as well over time, of course. And I think the second strategy is to start content farm, where we generate a lot of content and upload it to different platforms, and try try to make sure that and try to analyze the best formats, how they transform into downloads. And my goal is to build entire ecosystem of health applications, health related applications, and then add one big dashboard for managing entire life, like Obsidian, Notion, but better. Think that we'll have access to a lot of stuff, from health to productivity to mental stability, etc., etc., etc. But for now, I just want to find the best approach to test different strategies, and not to spend a lot of money. I want to, because I need to build an other applications. I want to build a content farm. I want to build a media empire related to our ecosystem, and this media empire will generate traffic by itself. But for now, I want you to write me a report, like you are chief marketing officer. So you need to write a report to me as a CEO. You can make this report as an HTML file with nice visualization, with nice links to the examples of different viral applications, how they promote themselves, how they gain this traction, how they gain this user base, and how we can how can we replicate it, how can we make it better. And I need just to see whole picture of current marketing strategies for digital application, digital tools, how people promote them, how to promote app store applications, and in general how marketing works for the applications as well. So your report should be informative, visual, and it be should have proofs of your words. So you should prove your strategic plan. You should prove it. You must prove it. And and about content farm, we will talk later. You just keep it in mind. Yeah, branded foods. Do they have it in open source? Can we use their database for branded foods so we won't reinvent the wheel? It asked other questions by itself. Remove the where number came from. Yes, it's removed. Plan level conflict to version among classes for free applies inference rather than a handle version. The existing integration has will prove that confidence stage plan can absorb a property change in this frozen model refactor of the one that must now lose a diary. And can we use their database on commercial products? And also, yeah, let's reinstall the version of, let's make a newer version of our application. Actually, we can use a different approach. Maybe widget, this widget will have button for health, button for water, and a nice button with our current streak, and maybe button for button for fasting. Okay, what's going on? Why I can't? Please run login. 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 I would like to find some videos dedicated to content farms.
What do you mean by that? I don't know what that means exactly. Let me get my air horn real quick.
Maybe let's try Orca.